Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. So today we are making a recipe called Cheesy Mania that we've been trying to do for a while. We were originally going to do it New Year's Day, but then it turned out my brother surprised me with a puppy for Christmas. So I've been really busy with that, but he's so cute and I love him. So we finally got together today to do it.
And we also exchanged Christmas gifts.
Yep, and we got new aprons.
So anyway, here we go with the Cheesy Mania recipe. Ready, Renee?
So we have our greased casserole dish and we are ready to go. What should we do first, Crystal?
You're gonna take that mac and cheese.
All right.
All of it actually. And put that on the bottom.
All right.
Craft the mac and cheese.
Oh yeah.
And as you can see, this is for Renee's family. I don't do pasta.
Yeah.
Anyone who knows me knows that I do not do pasta. Pasta is not my deal. Never has been, never will be.
Pieces that are, whoa, that was loud. Okay. What's next?
Alrighty, you ready?
Yep.
The 2 cans of cream of chicken soup.
Pour those in.
Yep.
All right. Here we go. Should we do this as like a layer, or do you think I should mix it in?
No, later.
Okay. Oh, oops, I was mixing it anyway.
Oh, that's
well.
that's actually good. That's actually good.
Yeah, okay. So now we have a nice layer on the top. What should we do next?
Oops, I forgot one more ingredient that we need. We're gonna stop filming for a hot minute. We'll be right back.
All right, we're back and we have 1 can of small white beans. And we're gonna pour those in. That we've drained. And we'll layer those out. All right, what's next?
Now here comes the good part. Half the bag of cheddar cheese.
Okay. All right. That looks about half and it's looking good. What do we do next?
Actually, we were gonna use the Cheez-Its, but nah.
Okay.
So we're just gonna use the rest of the cheddar cheese and actually, no, first the bacon bits.
Okay.
All of those.
A lot of bacon bits.
You can never have too much.
Yep.
Unless you're a vegetarian, like a friend of mine.
Yeah, or vegan.
Yeah.
All right.
Now the rest of the cheddar cheese and we'll be done.
All right. All right. And there we are, and this looks really good. Should we get it in the oven?
Yes.
Okay, and I've got the lid over there. Our oven is preheated to, was it 375?
I believe so, yes.
All right, and how long should we put it in for?
20 with the lid off first, and then 20 with the lid on.
Okay, and then we'll be back after that. All right, it is out of the oven. It is looking good. Got some here in a bowl ready to taste it. And here we go. That tastes good. That's really good. All right, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you back here next time on Recipes Mania. Bye, guys.